Hey guys, today is February the 10th, 2023, and today I'm going to take one of my Canary Island date palms that I've raised from seed out of this little container and pot it up into this big 15-gallon to see how much quicker it grows. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing. And as you can see, great little root source. And there is the Canary Island date palm, also known as a pineapple palm, in a 15-gallon container. I grew this one from seed that I collected from a couple of trees in my yard. This video does contain an affiliate link. You can click on the tab above or look in the description below and check out Quictent. That's where I got my 20 by 10 by 7, actually 25 by 10 by 7 greenhouse. And my raised garden beds with mini greenhouse covers, just raised beds. If you do click on one of the links and make a purchase, I do receive a commission. So at checkout, use the promo code GREG 8% to get a little bit of a discount for yourself. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing.